Here's the Elliott wave forecast for August 18, 2011. The Nasdaq 2-day chart. Looks like we truncated in a fifth wave and are forming possibly a wave 2. The best case scenario is that wave 2 completed and it takes out 25.27 to the upside. If it finds resistance at 25.27 and drops below 24.90, you could probably test 2400 minimum. Basically, this would be A, B. B would find resistance at 25.27, and the C wave would drop below 24.90. For S&P, best case scenario is that it takes out 1202 to the upside, and eventually takes out 1208 to form an upward 3. But if it finds resistance at 1202 and drops below 1184, it would set up a C wave. My lowest target is, I believe, 1150. That'd be 0.618. Basically, the S&P needs to hold 1150 in the coming days, and then rally back over 1208 to set up an upper 3. If it can't hold 1150, or say the worst case scenario we do drop to 1150, then there's no the possibility of a third wave would be negated. So, but short term, this could be A, it could be B. Again, if it finds resistance at 1202 at 0.618 and drops below 1184 to set up a C wave for the Dow. Short term, best case scenario is that this is an A and this is a B, and actually the worst case scenario is that this is an A, this is a B, and it finds resistance at 11,460 and drops below 11,325 to set up a zigzag. Um, the worst case scenario is that it can't hold. Well, in the coming days, if it can't hold 11,050, say we get a one of those gap down type of. Well, it's been a pretty mellow sideways, pretty mellow week so far. It's been a slow rise, but say we do end up touching 11,050, it has to hold, because in order to sustain the rally in the past few days, past few trading days, we need to basically what we're looking at on the 10-day chart for the Dow is that this could be 5 waves up and we could have entered a wave 2. So 11,300 is wave 4 support, and 11,050 is 0.618 support. For S&P 10-day chart, C wave support is at 1180, and 0.618 is around 1150. And for Nasdaq, previous 4 support is at around 2490, and a C wave, a C wave or a 0.618 corrective wave 2 would drop to as low as 2430. It needs to hold. It's a wrap.